Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna talking about something really important in Salesforce. That was page layout assignment using record types. I know the name sounds a bit complicated, but trust me, once you understand it, it is a very simple thing. Let's break it down. Okay, just imagine you have an object. So currently I have an object like accounts. So in this, I will open one record, but inside we have different types of user or data. For example, sometimes we need to provide two different layouts for two different users like customer or existing customer or partner or vendor. For this all, we don't need to show same page layout for everyone. It's not a good approach. So that's why we will go with record type. For the different users, we need to show the different page layout. In that scenario, record types and page layout comes in. Record types means different types of records. Page layout is how the page looks. And we just connect both. That's it. So then how we can do that? So first we need to click on gear icon, go to edit object. So we need to go to page layout. First, we need to create one page layout and assign that page layout for our record types. That is our thing. So that's why I just click on new page layout. So it will show like account layout. So I will just clone the account layout. I will give name like existing customer. Click on save. Now our page layout is completed, but in here we need to add the whatever the fields we need for existing customer record type. So that's why I just make it very simple. So I will show only few records. I will remove all of these things. So now I have only few fields in my current page layout. So I will just click on save. So once you save, that page layout is successfully created. So we need to assign this page layout for record types. How we can add this layout for the record types? So first we need to click on record types. In here, you want to create new record type. You can create by using new button, or you need to add the page layout for existing record type. That is also possible. So just you need to click on page layout assignments. So in here, you just click on edit assignment. So then you need to select which page layout you need to use for which. So currently I will select this one, existing customer. Means I need to add the page layout for existing customer. That is I created previously. So that's why I just select that column. I just click on this drop down. In here I have an option like existing customer. If I click on existing customer, it will change the layout for existing customer. So once you change, you just need to click on save. So now it's changed successfully. For existing customer, we have a existing customer layout. For other, we are go with customer layout. So then how we can check? So first we need to go to account object, click on refresh. Once you refresh, try to create new. Here we can see the new page layout for existing customer like that. So it will automatically change based on our record types. So some things we need to remember before creating any record types. That is, always plan your layout before creating. Don't create too many record types unnecessarily. Test with the different profiles. In real-time example, sales team need only few fields, but finance team needs more details. In that time, so instead of one messy page, you can create separate layout for two different users. A lot of beginners do this mistake, like they create record types and layouts but forget to assign them properly. Then they say it's not working properly like that. So always check with assignment part. So yeah, that's for how we can assign the page layout for record types. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.